Ways to get a slimmer face. Having excess weight or puffiness in your cheeks can be frustrating. Although it's not possible to lose weight in just one part of your body, there are several strategies you can use to reduce the size of your cheeks. Start by making changes to your diet and lifestyle. Then, try doing exercises to target your cheeks. 1. Say X and O back to back. Repeating these sounds can help to work the muscles in your cheeks and create a slimmer looking face. Say each letter 20 times and repeat this twice daily. You can do these facial exercises in the shower, while getting dressed in the morning, or during your morning commute. 2. Suck in your cheeks like a fish. Pull your cheeks into your mouth by sucking them inwards. Then, hold your cheeks in this position for about 3 seconds, and release. Repeat this exercise 20 times daily. 3. Open your mouth wide, hold, and relax. Open up your mouth as wide as you can, such as if you're about to take a big bite of something. Then, hold it in this position for 5 seconds. Then, relax and close your mouth again. Repeat this exercise 20 times daily. 4. Swish air around in your mouth. Swish the air like you would swish mouthwash. Do this for a total of 5 minutes per day. You can break it up into 1, 2 or 3 minute sessions or try to do it all at once. If you prefer, you could also try swishing water around in your mouth to work your cheek muscles. 5. Chew a stick of gum after each meal. The repetitive chewing motion may help to strengthen your jaw and make your cheeks look slimmer. Chew gum for 5 to 10 minutes after every meal. If chewing gum hurts your jaw, don't do it. 6. Smile more often. Smiling also exercises your facial muscles, and it may draw attention away from your cheeks. Smile and hold the position for 10 seconds. Repeat this exercise 10 times per day. As an added bonus, smile.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,